We begin with a developing story. 3 men are dead after an intense gun battle during a police-military operation in the Spot Valley Baritown area of St. James a few hours ago. It's believed that the security forces cornered a high-value target in the area, but were engaged in a firefight by several wanted men. During the battle, the 3 men were shot and killed. One of the deceased has been identified as Nestor Gallimore, otherwise called Zado, who we understand was high on the St. James Most Wanted list. One of the other deceased is also said to be wanted. Unconfirmed reports also indicated that a policeman was shot. And we will have more on this story in subsequent newscasts.